How to allow or block app permissions to access photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down and then tap on Photos. Now from the list of apps, open up the app. So for example, WhatsApp. At the moment, WhatsApp have full access to my photos. So I can tap on None if I want to block it. I can grant it with limited access, so it can access only selected photos, or it can have full access to all my photos and videos. So select one of the available options. So you can choose full access and then tap on Allow full access, or you can select limited access. And from here, you can choose which photos that it has access to. So just select the photos that it has access to. You can choose photos or you can choose a collections. And then tap on Done. And then you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.